Alrighty guys, we've got a donkey Stomper 1000V-HG-2-2290, driving 820-79s. Rebuild, there's repair, we'll put new pills in. Customer load the pills out of it. Most of them blow like 4. And you know that's from too high dead key or high SWR one. I mean overdriven. That's obvious when you blow that many. If you blow like 1 or something, you know I'm like, okay, it just happened. Just gotta keep your dead key down. 200 watts out of this on an 8 pill, 2x8. So that means about 2 watts into this is max, alright? 2 watts in. You can swing up to probably 45, 50, but only 2 watt dead key. You gotta have SWR below 1.3. Alrighty, let's look at him. We'll turn him off. Look straight through to start with. Straight through SWR. This means the SWR going through the amp. Worldwide 0. Turn back on, input SWR. Worldwide, barely any. Alright. 5 watt reverse. Worldwide, oh, about half a watt back. 1000 watt slug, average power. Worldwide, donkey Stomper, worldwide, we're talking 800, whistling 1,000. Worldwide, donkey Stomper, worldwide. Right on target. 2500 watt PEP. Worldwide. So we're at 1700. I'm getting a little less than, let's see. Look at 1,000 here. I'm getting a little less than 2. A little less than 2 watts is about a little under 200. So 2 watts would be about max on this, okay? 2500 watt slug. Worldwide, donkey Stomper, worldwide. Oh, variable all the way down test. Worldwide. Put the peanut together. Here's a variable all the way down, 500p. Let's see, variable all the way down, worldwide. Variable halfway. Worldwide. So we're doing about 1250 variable halfway. Variable wide open. Worldwide, donkey Stomper, worldwide. Get us baby down, worldwide, donkey Stomper, getting on down. Well, there she is. She's all repaired for you, ready to go. Alright folks, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Your friend 10-018B. Let's catch you later. Bye bye.